The thing that really sets Make UK Environment, Health and Safety Services apart from others in the field is our understanding that it is about people.
There are 3 reasons we do health and safety: the moral reason, the legal reason, and the financial reason.
So when you're in a role where you've got the ability to pass on your skills, to advise, to coach, to support, and to mentor people.
It's not just a case of they deliver the training and then walk away. They are there for support and advice and guidance long after the workshops have actually finished.
But it's not about compliance if we're trying to keep people safe. So where we really focus is the human element. Environment, Health and Safety at Make UK is all about giving our members the services they need. Lots of things going on politically and also economically that means companies have to really focus on these areas.
Morally, health and safety is the right thing to do, so we have to emphasise that the well-being of their staff is very, very important in today's climate. And then financially, promoting health and safety, even though you don't see the benefits on the bottom line, you will see it in a more productive, efficient and happy workforce.
I do a lot of work around developing behavioural safety programmes for manufacturing organisations, identifying issues and problems within organisations, building relationships with top level to gain that top level commitment, designing sort of training programmes and upskilling the workforce, and even providing solutions to monitor progress.
I can get absolutely any questions whatsoever. They come at me left and right. It can just be supporting that stressed EH&S manager who needs a little bit of a handhold and just guidance in terms of, yes, you're doing the right thing.
Our members can talk to us at any time. They have a named consultant, a person who they can get in contact with at any time. They're like their very close support in EHS matters.
I think it's the fact that Make UK are always there to offer guidance and support. I know that I can reach out to the team and I can get that support, but I'm also confident with the advice that I'm actually being given.
We're one of the leading training organisations in the UK in the field of environment, health and safety. We were the first ever NEBOSH accredited training centre.
One of the things that I'm most proud of is seeing the young managers, the ones who are doing the certificate in health and safety or the diplomas, go into the workplace, carry on their association with Make UK and delivering tangible benefits to manufacturing companies up and down the country. These are the next generation of health and safety managers.
I mean, I was fortunate enough to do my level 6 or my diploma in health and safety with Make UK, and we built up a great bond with the other students on the workshop, and that bond actually continues, even though it was several years ago that we actually did that.
At the moment, we are absolutely focused on health and well-being in the UK manufacturing sector. We're very good at safety as a country. We are not quite as good at health. That's what the data says, what the numbers say.
And we're starting to focus more on health, as many other organisations are, and we recognise that that is equally as important, if not more important, than safety. But then it's also important that we don't forget about the environment, and that's something that we've not forgot about, and it's great because Make UK can offer us support in all 3 of those areas.
We provide a high level of personal service and attention to detail. That's what I install within our team. We've got that vast level of expertise and experience, competency to bring to address any client's needs.
I would ask manufacturers to come and talk to us because there are a lot of changes coming down the road. Environment, health and safety management is absolutely at the centre of change management and will help their businesses grow into the future.